What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. We are continuing on with our 355 days of vlogging. So the vlog for today is for February 15th, 2025. I got extensions today. I got my hair done. My niece did my hair, Cherie, and I absolutely love it. I feel like it looks amazing. And she did these braids. I've got braids on the side and then extensions in my hair. And we had a great weekend together. My niece came over to hang out with us and she did my hair, and we watched this show called Severance. It's really good. And we ate food and talked and laughed, and we watched Abbott Elementary. But it was a good time. Yeah, today I just wanted to talk about the importance of spending time with friends and family. I know something that my dad would always say when we were growing up, and then like one of my closest friends, was that we have to take time to make time. So my husband would say that too. We have to take time to make time. And 9 times out of 10, it's always worth it. Whatever you're thinking you don't have time to do in terms of maintaining personal relationships with the people that you care about is probably not as important as taking that time. Even if it's something small to start, like 5 minutes. I know we talked about that with relationships, personal relationships, like with a spouse or a significant other the other day, but it's still important to make sure to take time out to spend with your friends and family, because even though your relationship and your children, right? And because even though your relationship with your spouse is important, that shouldn't be the only relationship that you have. I believe that God made us people who aren't perfect to remind us that we need each other. Not only do we need God, but we need each other. So you'll find people who have different gifts, and recognizing that, wait a minute, I can't do everything. There's some things that other people are going to be better at than you, and in the relationships that we have with the people God has placed in our lives, remembering with the relationships that we have with other people that God has placed in our lives, that they're there for a reason. We're here to learn and grow together, and to learn and grow from each other as we learn and grow from Christ, right? And we can share with each other and grow together. So it's definitely, like when God says in his word, it's not good for man to be alone. It's not good for you to be without community. And that's more than just your spouse. To expect them to meet all of your needs isn't fair to them, and it's not fair to you, because it's impossible. We need God to fill that gap, and we need community. We still need to have friendship relationships. We still need to have family relationships, and sometimes, depending on how you grew up, you might have a family that's a toxic family, but to still have your own family and community with other followers and believers in Christ. I love you guys so much. I hope this was a blessing to someone, and I will link some verses on that down below, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye, guys.